What's up everyone? Behind me I've got a really cool 1998 Subaru Legacy GT. It is a twin turbo EJ20. Jackson actually recently purchased this one probably a few months ago. He brought it in today. We raised the suspension up for him a little bit, did a Motul oil change, and he also has a new BRZ. We swapped the stock Legacy wheels with the OEM BRZ wheels and topped it off with a fresh alignment. So it's really cool to see these JDM legends making their way over here, and we love working on them. So if you guys like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe.